Okay, we're back to our feet. It's a third function of our feet, and that's steering our feet. We can steer with the ankles. Okay, so if you take and point your ankles to one side and point them to the other side. Point them one side and point them to the other. One, other. And grip the limits and try to make sure the feet stay parallel. Because at a finish phase of a turn, depending on the intensity of the turn and everything, if you're just funning around, you can really loop out your turn by using your feet in time with the other movements of skiing. So having a coordination to point those feet parallel and move them in time is a great skill. It's a block, it's just a block of skiing talent. As you do these exercises, visualize this inside foot. You can see how the ankle is flexed, shin is in the front of the boot, and the foot is turned. So pointing them one side, pointing the other. One side and the other. And do it till your feet get tired and they get uncoordinated. Throw some music on, it's great. I love to do this stuff to music. All right, so that's the third movement for skiing of the ankles, is to point and steer. Finish phase of the turn, we'll point and steer. Finish, point them to the max. Finish, point them to the max.